Hello everyone, in this video we will see a new exercise on Alteryx. The objective of this exercise is how to use the sort tool in Alteryx. So this is the sort tool which is available under the preparation tab. So in order to sort the data, we will first require to input the data with the help of the input data tool. So we will drag this input data tool in the new workflow. We have to connect it to the file. Just click on the drop down. It will redirect us to the data connection window. So here we can select a file. Yeah, click on the file, click on select file. Now select this copy paste sales file, click on OK, open. So there is only one sheet in this particular Excel file. So just click on OK. So the preview of the data is available over here. Now what we have to do? We have to just use this particular preparation tab. Now we have to drag this sort tool and connect this sort tool with this input data. As soon as I connected this particular copy chain sales input data tool, which I have taken in this input data, this is the file copy chain sales. So this anchor becomes green, so input has been taken. So here you can observe in the configuration pane how we have to sort the data. So first I will click on run. I have not selected any type of sorting over here. I have to specify whether which type of sorting you will require, whether we have to sort the data in descending manner, ascending manner. So it will show me an error. Yes, definitely. So we have to just click on the copy chain sales over here, click on run, so that the data is going to be appear in the results workflow downward. Okay, so it is going to say that we have not selected any type of file. It is giving the error. So we will just go to this particular configuration field. This happens whenever you are not selecting any type of category over here. So what you have to sort? So we have to sort this particular copy sales. So we have to sort it in ascending manner or descending manner that you can select. The moment I click on this particular descending manner, so the data will be sorted in the descending manner. I will show you the data. So this is the copy chain sales. So 100, 200. So descending order, higher to the lower. So 580 will be a higher and then rest will be at the bottom. So 10 will be, I guess, 10 into this. So we will make the data in the descending order. We control. Now it's been correct. Now what happens is that when I click on this output anchor, so the data which you are finding out here is sorted from the higher to the lower manner, that is descending order. 580 will be the first, and as I told you that last will be your if there are some null values, we can also replace it with the help of other tools. So with the help of data cleansing, you can remove that null values also. So I hope you have understood this particular video. Thanks for watching.